Yes guys, what is happening, and welcome back to Shifting Gears. And as you guys can see, we've got our second Fiesta ST on our channel. This is actually a stage 2 Fiesta ST by Puma Speed. So yeah, big shout out to Lottie. Thank you very much for letting us coming down to you and reviewing your car. And it's as I said, we're going to take you guys in the car in a bit, give you some cinematics and show you. As I said, this is a stage 2, so obviously you guys know my Fiesta ST is stock. So obviously it'll be nice to see what this car's like. And as I said, it'll be a big jump. As you guys know, I'm thinking to take mine stage 2, so yeah, can't wait to get stuck in and see what it's all about. And make sure you guys comment, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in a second. So guys, as you can see, we've got Sam back on our channel. Obviously we had his IB for Cooper on our channel. This is actually Lottie's boyfriend, Sam. So obviously Sam's just obviously going to give us a bit more information about the car. Obviously he's going to show us what's been done to it, what modifications and whatnot.
So yeah, we're here with Sam now. Obviously it's his girlfriend's car, Lottie, but he's going to be going through all the modifications and obviously what's been done to it. Obviously it's a stage 2 Fiesta ST. As you can tell, it's got the Mark 8 alloys on. Do you want to tell us a bit more about the car?
Yeah, so it's got the eyebrows, it's got the mud flaps, full low line kit but missing the split at the moment. It's got the Miltech downpipe, stage 2 intercooler, and obviously stage 2 matte by Puma and straight for exhaust.
How much is it running roughly?
255. It's got the RS spoiler at the back,
yeah,
and the big tips on the back as well.
Yeah, it does look really good though with the Mark 8 alloys as well. It does stand out.
So it's got the Albar rear lights, the RS spoiler, had the big tips put on the back, full low line kit, mud flaps, Mark 8 alloys, and the stage 2 Puma Speed, and it's got the Miltech downpipe as well.
Yeah, that looks really good, that does. I think the lights go really nice with that as well, and the contrast really good. Yeah, as you guys can see, as Sam just told you, obviously we've got all the exterior modifications. As he did mention, it's got stage 2 map on it. Them lights do look really good as well. They're similar to the ones that was on the stage 1 ST that we reviewed before this. But yeah, it looks really good. Obviously we're going to jump inside, give you guys a quick little sound check as well in a minute.
Speak a bit more about the car. Obviously we've got Lottie in the driver's seat. You want to like speak a bit more about the car, like the running costs, insurance, tax?
So my insurance is about £110 a month, but that's everything all declared with green light.
Yeah.
Tax is 180 a year, so it's not too bad.
Yeah. It's not...
Fuel lasts me about a full tank for a week, and I do about 300 miles a week commuting.
Oh, do you? So travelling to work and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not too bad then. 300 miles. On my VXR I only get about probably 200 miles max out of full tank, and mine's stage 2 as well. But
yeah.
This one's pushing a lot more power. How much was it pushing?
255.
Yeah, 255, and torque as well. It's probably around 300 foot-pounds. But we're coming to a tunnel now, guys, so obviously you can hear the car, and the pops and bangs on this are mental. As you can hear, sounds mental. Puma Speed, stage 2, pops and bangs as well, and it does sound really good. Do you have any like future plans of the car going stage 3 or bigger turbo?
I would like to eventually go stage 3 just in case I get bored of the power, and I want to eventually wrap this car.
Oh, what colour are you thinking?
A lime green.
Lime green.
To match the pinstripe and the calipers that I've done.
Yeah, it would all go nice because obviously you got the Marquee alloys on it as well, which suit the car. Once your front splitters on, it will look nice. But it does sound good.
It's a bit mental.
Yeah, especially with the pops and bangs as well through the tunnel. They are quite aggressive. So how long have you owned the car?
So I've had the car since May this year.
Okay, so not a couple of months really.
Yeah, not very long.
Not too long. How long has it been running stage 2?
Well, the previous owner did it before.
Oh, so you
before me.
brought it as a stage 2 car then?
Yeah.
You had any problems with it or?
No, it's been running perfect. Yeah.
So you're keeping up with services and stuff regular?
Yeah, it got serviced just before I had it.
Oh, okay.
So I had a full service then.
It does pull well though, like obviously we have a stock Fiesta ST, my brother, and you can feel the difference, obviously stage 2.
Yeah.
And it does pull really well because obviously the power difference as well. These do have an overboost function, obviously stocked 177 and then overboost 197 brake. And you can feel the difference throughout the rev range.
Yeah. Well, I felt the difference from going from a stage 3 1 litre to this.
Yeah.
It's massive.
So what did you have like previously before this?
So I had a stage 3 1 litre Fiesta ST.
Yeah, and you had that mapped as well?
Yeah, so it's running a stage 3 Collins performance map.
Yeah.
So it's about 165 brake.
Yeah.
So it's a massive difference compared to this.
Big jump from that.
Yeah,
This must feel a lot quicker than that then.
Yeah.
It's almost like 100 brake gain.
Yeah.
I think he was doing maps or seeing maps and it was looking at that, I think.
How was it though? You went straight away.
The induction kit sounds good as well. So yeah, the induction kit sounds good. Obviously on ours we've got a ST3 induction kit. Which one have you got on this?
I've got the Ramare.
Yeah, this is the one that goes like behind the headlight, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Sounds really good. Obviously with the exhaust as well, and the pops and bangs from Puma Speed. Does pull really well.
Yeah.
What about, does it rev to like 8k or is it just?
No, it stops at 6.5.
Oh, 6.5 standard.
Yeah. It burbles all the time.
Yeah, it does sound
Once
good.
you have that bump and bang, that body doesn't stop really.
Yeah.
It burbled a little bit before.
Yeah.
Not as bad as it does now.
Burbles sound good though, the pops and bangs.
Yeah.
They do, 100%. I like it.
Yeah, I feel like getting them on my VXR now, man. Before like I've grown out of them, but hearing them again, I'm
A
like,
lot of them get a lot of hate.
yeah, a lot of people do hate them, but some
I
people love them. I know. Some people love them, some people hate them, but they do sound good, I can't lie.
Yeah, like some cars aren't meant to have one.
Yeah.
But I feel like
Cars
my
like-
1 litre sounded dead good, and then this sounds even better.
I know, it sounds good on these cars because obviously the 1.6 turbos, and obviously you got the manual gearbox as well.
Yeah.
So front wheel drive, so it's a good combination as well. They're like little go-karts as well,
Yeah,
especially obviously
literally.
this one, stage 2 as well. They're like go-karts.
But you surprised a lot of cars in it though, innit?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
We went block.
Especially like Fiestas, Corsas, they're all underrated, man.
But I got a lot of hate on my 1 litre because it's like, oh, it's a waste of money, why don't you just buy an ST?
Yeah.
It's like I was 20 at the time when I got the 1 litre, and I've had the 1 litre for like 3.5 years now.
Yeah.
And it was like, oh, why couldn't you buy one? Well, not everyone has the money.
I know. Plus insurance as
Yeah.
well, like, depends
So
on...
I got the 1 litre, and then I spent a hell of a lot of money. I'll have to show you the pictures of what it looked like when it was all with the RS bumper and everything.
Yeah.
Like I got like quite well known on Instagram from it.
Yeah.
But this gets less likes than my 1 litre.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, it's really annoying.
Surprisingly.
Don't know.
Yeah.
TikTok I get more on this.
But I feel like it's because I don't follow that many Seat owners yet.
Yeah.
So I've only decided
It's like instant boost.
It's mental.
Just throws you back in your seat, like
Yeah.
it just comes on straight away, like there's no lag. Yeah. Yeah, that is it for today's video. Obviously, big thank you to Lottie and the boyfriend Sam for obviously letting us review the car. But yeah, obviously they will be back on the channel obviously next year once the weather clears up, and we will be having like car meets and stuff obviously in summertime, so we will be back next year summer. Obviously we do another review feature, hopefully bigger turbo next year as well on this, so yeah, hopefully. We see the stage 2 Fiesta ST. I'll leave all links down in the description of the Instagram, social media. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Obviously it got a bit dark, it does get dark quite quick about 4-5 o'clock, so apologies for that. But yeah, we do hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.